Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will design a modern kebab and wrap menu board using Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set the size to 1920 by 1080 pixels for a digital menu board or A3 if you plan to print it. Choose RGB color mode for screen display. Next, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle covering the entire artboard. Then fill it with a dark color like black or dark brown to give a stylish restaurant look. After that, select the type tool and write the title Kebab and Wrap Menu at the top using a bold font and a bright color such as yellow or white so it stands out clearly. Now go to File and click Place to import images of kebabs and wraps like chicken kebab, beef kebab, and shawarma wrap. Then arrange them neatly in rows. Use the Type tool again to add menu item names and prices beside each image so customers can easily read them. You can also add simple shapes, lines, or icons to divide sections and highlight best-selling items. Finally, adjust spacing, alignment, and colors to make the design clean and professional. Once everything looks good, go to File, then Export, and save your menu board as PNG or PDF. That's how you can quickly create a professional kebab and wrap menu board design in Adobe Illustrator.